In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if TikTok app says you too many login attempts. There are a couple of different ways how you can solve that problem, and let me show you what to do. And the first thing you have to try, it's pretty common thing, but you need to try it. The first, it's open up your app store, look for your TikTok app here and check if this app says update. If new update available for your TikTok app, so first you need to install the latest update to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. And now the next thing you need to try is open up your app store again and here search for VPN, hit search, and after that you can install some VPN app. I have that one installed. You may select any app that you want, it doesn't matter. And once you are installed the app, so open it up, and after that you need to connect to the VPN server. Let me show you how to do it in that VPN Super Unlimited Proxy app. So just hit on that arrow icon and now hit on that big power button to connect to the internet. Now connection is success, VPN is connected, you can see it here, there was a VPN sign, and now you can go back to TikTok and try to log in. Let me know in the comments below if it helps you guys, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.